Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from Mailchimp and improve your email performance. Keeping your contact list clean and engaged is essential for maintaining strong open rates and overall campaign effectiveness. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Log in using your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to dive into your audience management tools, which are crucial for optimizing your email marketing efforts. Next, look to the left navigation menu and click on the audience icon. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, select Audience Dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing and analyzing all your subscriber data, giving you a clear overview of how your contacts are performing. From the Audience Dashboard, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen where you'll find the View Contacts button. Click on it to see the full list of all your contacts and subscribers. Once you're viewing this list, click on See Audience Analytics. This step is important because it gives you insights into how your audience is interacting with your emails. You'll now see a summary of all your contact and subscriber performance metrics. This is where you'll find valuable data that helps you identify which subscribers are actively engaging with your content and which ones are not. Understanding these analytics is key to making informed decisions about who to keep and who to remove. Now click on the Manage Contacts button located at the top right. This will direct you to your full audience list where you can see detailed information about your subscribers, including their engagement ratings. Take a moment to review these ratings carefully as they reflect subscriber activity such as email opens, page reactions, and product reviews. Select the contacts that have low ratings. These are the subscribers who aren't engaging with your emails, which can negatively impact your overall campaign performance. To remove them, click on the checkbox on the left side of their contact email. Once you've selected the contacts you want to manage, look at the top part of the page where you'll see options to manage your contacts. Click on Email Subscription. Here, you'll see the email subscription status for each selected contact. You can choose to unsubscribe them or delete them entirely if there's been no activity. If you decide to delete, head back to the top part where your contact management options are located. Click the three vertical dot icon and an option menu will appear. From this menu, click on Delete. A new window will pop up confirming whether you want to proceed with the deletion. Read through each description carefully as Mailchimp also gives you the alternative option to archive these contacts instead. You can select reasons like I want to clean up my audience, they are not responding to my marketing, or other. Once you've decided between archiving or deleting, click on the green button to either continue to archive or delete. This final action will remove inactive contacts from your list, helping you maintain a healthier, more engaged audience that improves your email deliverability and performance metrics. And there you have it, you've successfully cleaned up your Mailchimp contact list and taken a significant step toward improving your email marketing performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.